All right, May the 4th, Friday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Really warm Thursday. These are the final highs from across the region. Boone all the way up to 80, 85 in Raleigh, 88 in Columbia, and 81 in Wilmington, the Triad area, low and mid 80s. 85 in Burlington, 84 in Lexington, Charlotte viewing area. A lot of 80s on the board again, even Boone at 80, 87 in Morganton, 83 in Albemarle, and 83 in Gastonia and in Charlotte. Temperature trend, generally above average temperature trend continuing. We do have a little dip in the pattern, especially around Tuesday and Wednesday, but still temperature staying pretty warm. Same basic idea for your Greensboro temperature trend as well. So here's the setup. We'll look at the Dowd YMCA camera, uptown Charlotte, looking very, very nice during the 5 a.m. hour, 62 degrees. The temperature there, it's 61 as I cut the video in Raleigh and Fayetteville, 49 in Boone, and 62 in Columbia. Quiet for the time being on the radar imagery across our area this morning. Now you head up to the north and a lot of rain to the Great Lakes region. That's what's led to some big thunderstorms earlier yesterday. New thunderstorms firing early this morning along a cold front there from Oklahoma into northwestern Arkansas. And it's been a very active early morning in Texas with some ongoing severe weather issues there. A lot of severe weather over the past couple of days. These are yesterday and last night's severe weather reports. Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, some issues. And then a lot of tornadic problems in parts of Iowa yesterday. Quite a cluster of tornado reports there in portions of Iowa. And your cold front's on the move now, heading into the Ozarks region, up into the Great Lakes, and that'll play a big part in our weekend weather. Now, today's severe weather threat is in the Northeast, Pennsylvania, New York, some surrounding areas, and a Category 2 or slight risk of severe weather. Watch the thunderstorm development on the high-resolution modeling today. Right there you go, this afternoon into the evening. Some big, likely wind-producing thunderstorms up in that region. Now, interestingly enough, some of the higher resolution models want to break a few of the showers that'll try to move into the mountains late today, out of the mountains and into the foothills this evening. I think that chance is pretty remote once you get outside of the mountains, but especially in the northern foothills and the I-77 corridor there, say Surrey, Wilkes, Yadkin County. Can't totally rule out an evening shower, but certainly the mountains could pick up a few showers or storms late this afternoon and into this evening as this cold front gets a little bit closer, especially this evening. Your temperatures will be very, very warm today. There's our highs this afternoon. And then we get into the weekend, and it's still a bit of a challenging setup. That cold front begins to sag into the region, a little bit more moisture, a little bit more instability, so I do think the chance is there for some scattered showers and storms. There's Futurecast tomorrow. Hit and miss stuff, and in fact, if you look at the European model, a lot of us fall into that mist territory with rain opportunities tomorrow outside of the mountains and the adjacent foothills. So I think some scattered showers and storms, but as I've been saying all week long, certainly not a washout at all tomorrow, and the chances for rain really diminish as you head further to the east in the region. There's your Saturday highs. Now, on the backside of this low pressure area, we do get some scattered shower chances for Sunday. Temperatures begin to trend down a little bit in North Carolina, and everybody has some cooler temperatures in place as we get into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Now, I will mention that some of the computer modeling around Tuesday or so try to spin up a coastal low, but at this point, the impacts look rather limited in the interior Carolinas, but just something to keep an eye on for next week. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the video. Everybody have a great weekend, and God bless.